Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Rock Bottom Airsoft. It's good to see you again. If it's your first time here, then as always, it is good to see you and I hope you're going to stick around. Okay, well, welcome back to our normal upload schedule, should we say? We're uploading our normal videos again, so this is our midweek video, which we normally upload on a Wednesday. And as you who follow the channel will already know, we normally look to upload a video every weekend, normally on a Saturday as well. I apologise that we missed this Saturday's video, but I was at an event at my home site, Tazball Airsoft Mission Classified. It was a 3-day event, so what we've got here for our midweek video is a little bit of mix of gameplay from the first day of Mission Classified on the Friday. This first game was a bit of a pistol-only game, CQB, and it was 2 teams of 5 against each other, as you'll see. I didn't do too well in this one. And then after that, we'll look at a bit of me doing sniper gameplay. I haven't got the best setup for sniper video, but hopefully we'll improve that with future ones. Either way, I hope you enjoy it, and I will have a chat with you again at the end when we've gone through a bit of this footage. But in the meantime, enjoy.
It's just one life, yeah? You know the problem with being tall? I stick out over the top.
At this point, we kind of know the enemies are all ahead of us. I was just trying to get an angle to see if there was anywhere where I could take a shot at anybody, which wasn't working out for me. Well, I never expected to be flanked round the back there. So that caught me by surprise, that one. But that was the end of that game for me. It was 1 life and you're out in that one, 5v5. Like I say, I'll move on now and we'll have a look at some of the sniper gameplay, and then I'll have a chat with you at the end. Alright, speak to you soon. Okay guys, I'm back again. On the left side you'll see like some bunkers and a slight hill. On the top of there's a throne, which we call King of the Hill at Tazball Airsoft, and that is our objective. I'm looking at it just now. And basically we have to get up on there and put our flag on that throne. At this point we're taking fire in our spawn site. The enemy snipers and team have kind of got us locked down. I take a few shots here, trying to engage, and get hit a few times, which is the usual story for me. If you follow me, you'll know I get hit a lot. But shortly after this, after taking a few hits of the spawn, I decide to try and flank round far right and see if I can sneak round, get behind the enemy team and engage from there. So we'll have a look how that works out for me.
I'm with you. Back in! I'm with you. Back in. Yeah, there's a guy shooting at our spawn there. Yeah. Back in. Dude. I wonder where I kept getting it from there. They're still shooting. I thought they were out coming out for a minute. Oh no, I got. Oh no, I got capped by him. I don't know who it is. It was a good shot though.
Okay, this is me starting to flank round. You can see that I'm aiming down to where the enemy spawn is. It's through the trees, just where it clears up a little bit. I'll speed up the bits where I'm sneaking for a while, because not a huge amount happens, and then we'll get to see what happens when I get behind them, okay? Okay guys, that's us now behind enemy lines, and the enemy team are ahead of me as I make my way up, and hopefully they don't know I'm here.
Good shot.
Well, guys, I hope you could make out that enemy that was ahead of me that I was shooting at, but he was definitely a better shot than me. And he took the shot and took me out. But some of the guys were quite surprised when I appeared behind them to go back to respawn. But I do try again. There's the gentleman that took me out.
No, it was a good shot, man. I didn't even know where you were.
Well, here we go, guys. We're back behind enemy lines again. There are guys up ahead of me, and the enemy team's up ahead of me. You'll be able to hear them shooting them and what have you in a couple of minutes there. But yeah, I'm back behind enemy lines again. So let's see how I get on. Okay guys, well, I really hope you enjoyed that video. That's the first time I've shown any gameplay with a bit of sniping, but it did show the JG Bar 10 that we looked at last week in use, in game at Tazball Airsoft at the Mission Classified event I was at. I really do need to look, I know, at my video setup for if I'm going to do any sniping type gameplay videos. But as many of you know that follow the channel, sniping is not my preferred play style. And I was only doing that really to limit the amount of movement I needed to do due to my injuries I've had. But I still hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you liked that little glimpse of the Friday gameplay, the little skirmish games we did to warm up the event. I enjoyed it. The guys there seemed to enjoy it. I've got lots more video footage from the gameplay there, including some more with the Spectre arms that I reviewed in a previous video. So if you did enjoy it, then please do drop a like on it. If you've got any questions about Airsoft, myself, or the event, then do leave me a comment below and I'll be sure to get back to you. I always respond to comments. I might not get back to you straight away, but I will respond. If you want any more content from myself, then you can find Rock Bottom Airsoft on Facebook and Instagram, and you can direct message me there as well. But apart from that, if you are enjoying my series of videos, then do please get subscribed to the channel so you won't miss any more of the content I put up from the event or any of my uploads in general. And thanks very much for watching. I'll look forward to seeing you in the next one.